Hey everyone, we're back with a how-to on how to cook some pork steaks on the grill. This is all wood-fired. You'll see here that this grill is an old gas grill. It took a dump on me last year, and ever since then I've just been throwing logs in there and, lighting them up and waiting for them to be ready for me to cook over, and that's what we're doing here today. So as far as a wood type, I'm not sure. I get firewood for my wood stove and I just throw what I got there in there. It's all hardwoods. So, like I said, it's all paper, no lighter fluid, old school as it can get. This is the seasoning we're going to use. I'm using some paprika, black pepper, some two products made by Goya. One's adobo, all-purpose seasoning, and then the secret ingredient is this unique seasoning packets. Okay, this is good for rice and all sorts of meat and all sorts of stuff. You want to jazz up your food and trick some people into not, or con people into not knowing what it is, get some of that stuff. Okay, you have to go into the Spanish section, and not all stores have them, depends on where you guys are from. They come in those little packets. I'm going to be using two of them I got 4 pork steaks. I'll be using one for 2 of them and then the other one for the other 2. So, and it really turns your meat or whatever it is, an orangish color. So if that's an issue for you, don't try it, but I mean, it's good stuff. So we're sprinkling just a little bit of black pepper on these things, and then the all-purpose seasoning. You don't want to get carried away with this stuff. Try it a little bit, see how you like it. And, paprika, I'm definitely not putting very much of that on here, just enough to get a little bit extra flavor out of it. And one seasoning I didn't tell you guys was, I sprinkled some oregano on them as well. So here they are, ready to go on the grill. And get this grill opened up. I just put the grates on, so they're not really warm yet, but that's not a problem. I guess if you're looking to get some searing going on, you could do that, but I wasn't really concerned with that. These aren't going to take long at all. Okay, they're really thin. They're going to cook super fast. It's a tremendous amount of time to get the wood ready to go on this. In comparison to the cook time, I mean, we're probably talking about like 10 minutes worth of cooking. Just kind of depends on how hot the barbecue is, but this took about 10 minutes, 5 minutes each side. So, and yeah, just set them on there, and I closed the top on these initially to get some smoke flavor in them. You can see it's smoking real good, and let me tell you what, man, the flavor of these was tremendous. If you like, true smoke flavored meat, this is the way to go about doing it. So this is, they're still cooking here. They're about ready to come off right now. And, it's all sizzling, and you see the fire going underneath. It's about as good as it gets. So here they are, all finished on the plate, ready to go. My wife, she made some jalapeno cheese cornbread, and that's basically cornbread mix and mixing in some jalapeno and cheese and topping it off with it. And then we had some high-end boxed macaroni and cheese, and here we go. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, subscribe, comment, like if you're watching this on Facebook or Instagram. Follow me, and then go over to my YouTube channel, UVision Media, and subscribe, comment, like over there. Share the video too. Thank you very much.